Young-Soo, you're bleeding.
I am? Ha, right, it's because Seok hit me with the fucking mop.
Stay back! Stay where you are. You were bitten, weren't you, Young-Soo?
I wasn't! Didn't you see Seok hit me?
You're ignoring me?
What do you want?
How's your cut doing?
Why do you care?
Show me. I suspected you because the situation called for it, and I was really mad earlier.
Young-Soo.
Что меня теряла, я босиком по